Action Construction Equipment ACE, India's premier train manufacturing company, organized an ACE Ultra Combine Harvester Mega Delivery Function on June 29, 2024 at Gulshan Dhaba, Kosi Kalan, Mathura, showcasing its unwavering commitment to supporting agricultural advancement in the region. Ashok Anantharaman, Chief Operating Officer, Action Construction Equipment Limited, ACE, along with Jitendra Kumar DY, General Manager, State Bank of India, delivered 10 ACE harvesters to farmers from different areas of UP and Haryana. And our Krishi Jagran team was also present there, giving us the opportunity to conduct an exclusive one-on-one interview with them.
ACE वो एक ही कंपनी है जो 4 अलग-अलग हार्वेस्टर बनाती है, 4 अलग-अलग हार्वेस्टर। टैंजेंशियल एक्शन को बनाती है जो ACT 60 के नाम से कहलाती है। अल्ट्रा हार्वेस्टर जो 100 हॉर्स पावर की है, और जो नई मशीन जो हम लगाने वाले हैं, जो न्यू जनरेशन मशीन है, जो गियरलेस मशीन है और हाइब्रिड टेक्नोलॉजी के ऊपर बिल्ड है।
फार्म मैकेनाइजेशन के बारे में आप लोग फार्मर से अच्छी तरह जानते हैं। आज से 15 साल पहले 20 साल पहले किस वे में हार्वेस्टिंग होता था या फार्म मैकेनाइजेशन का क्या पोजीशन था, और पिछले 10-15 साल में जो चेंजेस हुए हैं फार्म मैकेनाइजेशन में, वो सभी लोग को मालूम है। फिटनेस आप लोग है उसके लिए। इस पूरे प्रोसेस में जो एस का रोल रहा है हार्वेस्टर को, जैसे कि इन्होंने बताया था कि 3 टाइप के हार्वेस्टर हैं। क्या टाइप के? जो डिफरेंट टाइप के हार्वेस्टर जो डिफरेंट सॉइल पे काम करते हैं, इफेक्टिव हो सकते हैं।
As we know, farm mechanization plays crucial role in sustaining food security and also catering the needs of farmers and burgeoning populations. Today we are with Mr. Ashok from ACE. So ACE has been providing a wide range of customer-centric products for farmers for almost 3 decades. And sir, how do you plan to keep this momentum going on?
Thank you very much for this kind words. We have been involved in agriculture, as you said, for the last 3 decades, and we are continuously trying to innovate to get newer products into the market, looking at what the customer needs. So we started off, if you look at the harvesters today, what we are providing to customers, we started off exactly 10 years back with a traditional tangential axial flow harvester, which was about 3.5 to 3.7 tons in weight, and which was a machine which was being used very religiously by farmers. Over the last 3 years, customers decided to use different modes of technology, and we then decided to come on with axial flow technology. Okay. So the machine what you are seeing now is an axial flow technology machine, which the customers today are finding it much easier to use. Why? Because it's more fuel efficient, it gives you faster output, it's more productive, okay, and it's lightweight. Okay, right? So this is what the customer needs today. But we at ACE are not looking at today. We are looking at the future. As you said, we want to provide solutions to farmers, and therefore we have also come out with another machine, okay, which is going to be somewhere in between the traditional tangential axial flow and the current axial flow, which is I would say a medium density machine, okay, a medium weight machine, which will take care of all the needs of the farmers, right? It is a gearless machine. It does not have any gearbox. It runs through motors. Okay. So that launch we'll be doing over the next couple of months. So that is a new proposition which we are giving to farmers.
Okay. So what's your strategy regarding the precision agriculture and smart technologies?
See, precision agriculture and smart technology are important parts of the entire farm mechanization strategy. However, it's important for us to understand also there are some costs involved. Okay, when you talk about precision farming, there are some costs involved, right? So today we are on to the first step, which is basically an IoT system, a GPS, which facilitates farmers with all the basic information, right? So as soon as you get into other parts, the costs increase. Okay, we are ready with that, but we also need to understand how exactly we can work with the government and the farmers to deliver it to the end customer. Okay, it is important because what it ensures is that the seeds are put in the right places, lesser use of fertilizers, lesser use of chemicals, what do you call, very clear spraying on only those parts and not use wastage. So it also leads to sustainability.
Okay.
Right, but there's a cost involved. So how exactly will the cost be borne by the farmers? What can government play? What role will government play? All that we'll have to see. We are all keen towards that only. We are all moving towards that. But it'll take some time for everyone to understand.
Okay.
In ensuring that the precision farming can be finally followed at the lowest level.
Okay.
Because we have most of our population are small and marginal farmers.
Yes,
Very limited numbers are the large farmers.
Yes.
But they are all progressive farmers. So that is where we have to arrive at a junction with the farmers. When to use it.
So here we are with Jiten Kumar from SBI. Sir, what kind of initiative SBI is taking to help farmers in agricultural finance?
Listen with this, farm mechanization is one of the important aspects where till now till recent times the India was little bit behind in the farm mechanization, and majorly we are depending upon the traditional farming.
Okay.
Now with the change time, the farm mechanization has given the importance in the agriculture sectors, and the government of India since last 8-10 years has come with the series of the initiative. Another part is there that when you are asking about what SBI's initiatives are there, so whatever the AIF scheme is there, we have taken is a very different way, the supportive way. We are increasing the farm mechanization sectors. Now another part is there. We have taken this MOU with the ACE, the manufacturer of ACE. So we are trying to provide the sanction and the disbursement of the loan in a minimum time frame. So that MOU is helping us.